Hi friends, welcome to my channel Cooking with Manisha. Today I will show you how to make tasty samosa stuffing. You can also use this stuffing in kachori, batata vada or veggie stuffed paratha. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. You will need 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, green chili. Be sure keep heat in low medium flame. Half cup of finely chopped onions. Now add salt to taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half teaspoon of red chili powder. Half teaspoon of cumin powder. Now add green peas. One tablespoon of fennel seed powder. 1 tablespoon of crushed peanuts. 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. 1 teaspoon of Amchur powder. One tablespoon of Khatti mithi imli chutney. Add little bit of water. Add some coriander. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Now add 3 to 4 boiled potatoes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Mix well and mash the boiled potatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now our very tasty samosa stuffing is ready. If you like my samosa stuffing recipe, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Also check out my social media and other videos.